any technology has a risk. How do we stop users from using it in the wrong way? How do we stop them from putting credit card information into ChatGPT, putting your corporate information in there? It's going to be a next generation of things to help us contain this. Cisco have just put on their website, so I'm going to speak about it even though it hasn't been mentioned yet at the conference, but they have something called Pacific, and I'm having to read this because it's on you. This is effectively a firewall for AI. If you turn on Copilot, for example, and someone has accidentally put salary somewhere on your SharePoint, somebody asks Copilot, well, tell me the salary of all the employees. It's going to find you. And this will stop you from being able to even ask those inappropriate questions in the first place.
If it doesn't fit within one of the out-of-the-box sort of package solutions, how do we have a workshop, run through the problem statement we're trying to solve? What's the purpose of the nucleus automation platform that we created? It is all about how do we save time and cost, as well as increase efficiencies with the adoption of Cisco and Meraki technology. Sure, so this is a bit of a labour of love. Cloud networking, cloud security is great, but what happens if there's an accidental change that goes wrong on the weekend, or if there's a deletion of data? Sure was built from the ground up in-house to solve that particular problem. The most exciting one for me, and I was very fortunate to do a theatre session today talking about one of our case study customers where we've been able to remove huge amounts of energy waste in their environment and rapidly. So I think about 4 minutes in total. The UK is looking at this whole decarbonisation journey. It's about how do we optimise Cisco technology to effectively lend to that so we can save on energy consumption.
We've been a part of the preview program where we're able to work with Cisco and give feedback to Cisco before this went live. It's seamless and it gives you that end user experience, but also increasing security.
So I wanted to start out by, before I go into some of my thoughts on this, just thanking the CAE team. We've got a really strong relationship as a key focus partner for us in the UK. So this is a team full of expertise across the board with security, the Cisco portfolio, and we're delighted to be able to partner with them here at Cisco Live, but really just a long-term relationship. So thank you, Dean and team. We really appreciate the support.